10 evidence based steps for achieving restorative sleep. Number 1. Get exposure to the sun first thing in the morning. Number 2. Cut off coffee intake after noon. Number 3. Get your workout done at least 3 hours before bedtime. Number 4. Resist the urge to nap after 3 pm. Number 5. Finish your last meal at least 3 hours before sleep. Number 6. Say no to alcohol or a restful night. Number 7. Hydrate wisely by avoiding fluids 2 hours before bed. Number 8. Unplug from screen 30 minutes before going to bed. Number 9. Find your perfect pillow for optimal neck comfort. Number 10. Dim light, minimize noise and low room temperature.